Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add page numbers in Microsoft Word. So first open your Word document, then go to the Insert tab and select Header, Footer or Page Numbers from the Header and Footer group. Then choose if you want to add the page number at the top, the bottom, page margins, or current position. So let's select the bottom of the page and choose one of these styles. Let's select this one, just a simple one. And that's it. You can select one of the numbers and go to the Home tab and change the font, the size. Let's reduce the size and the color. Then go back to design and click on close header and footer. And when you change or edit one of the numbers, the others change as well. Now, if you want to add or to start the number from a specific page, go, so let's say we want to start numbering from the second page, then go to the first page, go to the Insert or the Layout tab, Breaks, then select Next Page. Now go to the second page and double-click on the footer, then uncheck the link to previous, and go back to the first page and delete the number. Then go back to the second page again and right-click on the number. Then select Format Page Numbers from the drop-down menu. Start at and enter one in this field, then click on OK. Then close the header. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.